First, arrange the assembly materials for the single battery cell stack in order. Here are 2 metal end plates, 2 plastic end plates with holes, 2 copper sheets with holes, 2 carbon adhesive materials, 2 rubber gaskets, 1 membrane material, 4 positioning rods, 4 inlet and outlet liquid flanges, 2 liquid flow frames, and screws. Place the metal end plate steadily on the workbench. Insert the 4 cut positioning rods into the corresponding holes. Place the middle plastic end plate with holes on top of the metal end plate. Place the copper sheet without holes, and align the inlet port plate assembly with the installed sealing ring on top of the copper sheet. Place a piece of carbon felt in the middle groove of the liquid flow frame. Place a rubber gasket on the liquid flow frame. Take out the cut membrane and stack it on the rubber gasket. Place another rubber gasket on top of the membrane, ensuring the membrane is sandwiched between the 2 rubber gaskets. Place a cut piece of carbon felt in the middle groove of the liquid flow frame with holes. Cover with the liquid flow frame with holes. Place the copper sheet with holes. Position the 4 inlet and outlet liquid flanges in the middle of the holes. Place the plastic end plate with holes on top of the copper sheet. Place the metal end plate with holes on top of the separator. Tighten all screws with a torque of 20 Nm. Finally, remove the positioning rods to complete the entire operation.